Soccer DBB number 164. That's 2015-16 Topps Champions League Showcase. One box break. Every spot is two random teams, one good team and one not so good team. We're going to start with the not so good teams. Dice roll is for both randoms. Snake Eyes is reroll. We are going 10 times on both randoms. Good luck, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's the final time. Good luck. 10. We have Eindhoven on top, Malmö at the bottom. That are the not so good teams for you guys. On to the better teams. Also 10 times on a random. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last and final time. Good luck. 10. We have Man United on top and Gladbach at the bottom. Here are your teams, guys. So, that are your teams. Alright, good luck. One box of Topps Champions League Showcase. So Barca has Pedro, Real Madrid is Jesus, Bayern is Sergio. I posted some football single boxes as well. Fill them up and then break them today. We got Momentum Basketball, the only basketball box I have left at the moment. Momentum 12-13, big rookie here, guys. Oops. 5 teams left for Impeccable, guys. We have the Pistons, the Pacers. Who else is left? Pistons, Pacers, Hawks, Nets, and one more team. Not sure right now. Built Impeccable basketball case break. Please make sure you send payments if you take spots in the single boxes, guys, so I don't have to reach to reach out to everybody to send in payments before we break. Alright, guys, good luck. One box of Showcase. Here we go. 2 autographs guaranteed. First up, we got Wayne Rooney. Insert for Manchester United. We have insert for Chelsea, Eden Hazard. We got Sevilla, Jose Antonio Reyes. Is that autograph? No, but it is numbered 2 of 25, and that is going to Olympiacos, Costa Fortunes. 2 of 25, Olympiacos. And that is where's Olympiacos? There you go, Jesus. We have Sven Coombs for Ghent and the autograph behind it. I know that autograph, I guess. Barca. We got Eindhoven insert. Alright, autograph is David Luiz going to Paris Saint-Germain. David Luiz, Paris Saint-Germain is Stats. Stefan, congrats, Steph. Paris Saint-Germain. Alright, second mini box. We got Man City. Series autograph already? No. Okay, base. Oh, we got Chelsea. Diego Costa. We got to 99. Kodachuk for Bata Borisov. Here's the autograph. No, not yet. We got Wolfsburg. Benaglio. We got Maicon for Porto, and here is the autograph. Got Neymar, Barca. Suarez for Barca. All right, autograph. Good luck, guys. It is going to... Nice. Luke Shaw, short print autograph. 23 of 50 for Manchester United. Nice hit for Man U, and that is Pedro Garcia. Congrats. Nice hit. Short print auto. Not the best player, but it's short print, so... That was it for the break. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.